My channel is me, Princess Grace, and today I'm going to be opening up Poopsie Slime Surprise. So, let's open it. Okay, first thing is this unicorn food. Then, you have this gold package. I don't know what's inside. We have this golden one. Then, last thing, I don't know if that's the last thing, but I don't know what this is. Let me get all of it out. Oh, look! Glitter Queen. It's like Burger King, but it says Glitter Queen. See, you guys? No more thing in this box. More unicorn food. So, let's see what else. It's more stuff. So, I got this. Where's that from? So, I got unicorn shimmer. And last two more things in here. So. This. More unicorn food. So, let's open it. Well, I think I have one more thing in the box. Oh, here it is. It's more unicorn food. So, let's open this. Okay, guys, I think I need help opening all these packages. So let's go. Mommy Magic Poof!
Hey, you guys.
So, what do we do first?
First, you need to remove the lid from the included bottle. So this is your bottle, I guess. No, here's your bottle. Open your bottle.
Okay, you think this is a bottle.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so big! You guys, look.
Okay, now take the lid off your bottle. Oh, that's cool.
It's like a Gucci bottle.
Okay, take the lid off. Then it says, open your spoon.
Wait, this is a spoon, yeah, definitely. Can you help?
Sure. Here's your spoon. It says slide it in.
Oh, these are pretty spoons. So this is like a straw. Actually, this is a spoon.
Oh, what is that? A unicorn or a pony or at the top?
That's unicorn. See the horn? And you guys see? I got this little unicorn. And I got this unicorn spoon. They're gold. So what we're going to open up.
We have to slide it together. Okay, I think it says...
oh, you guys. This actually goes... But I think they go together. Okay. Okay, I get it on. That looks beautiful. So it's like a big spoon. So you guys, I love this cute bottle. Yeah.
Is this one?
I like the sparkles on the bottle, and it says poop nose.
So next you're going to open up your unicorn food. You're going to pour into the bottle.
Okay, we're going to open up the unicorn. Oh!
Here's your bottle, baby. You have to pour it into your bottle.
It's orange, you guys. Let me show y'all what I'm doing. Look, Mom, look.
Oh, that's cool. It said make sure you get all of it into them.
You guys, it's going in. It's so much. I think this is all.
Okay.
I usually, to get all of the stuff out, I usually just cut the whole packet and get whatever's left over in the bag. So, you guys, make sure you get all of this stuff out. The unicorn feed. First, you open the black packet. Then you put it in the bottle.
Okay, next it
Does
says...
this look like it all?
Mm-hmm.
So
Next.
this is all of it, guys.
Okay, now you have to open up your second pack of the unicorn
That
food.
smells like fun. Now we're gonna open up this next unicorn food. Oh, this is like, I think this is water.
Mm.
It looks like bubbles. That I think is water.
Okay, so now you're gonna stir it with your spoon for 1 minute. We're gonna set the timer, you guys, for 1 minute.
Ready, steady, go.
You have to stir it for 1 minute.
It's already starting to look like slime. But just all the water didn't mix in. So that's why it had another piece, because it goes deep inside the bottle. It's like bubbles. Mix it up. Mix it up. Yeah, the timer's almost done.
You have 31 seconds left.
So we're gonna let that sit for a minute. Stir it for a minute. It's almost slimy, guys.
You have to keep stirring, baby. It's safe for 1 minute.
Did the timer go out?
Not yet. You still got 10, 7,
7 more minutes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ding ding.
Okay, now it says take the slime out and pour it in your hand and work it until
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Check it out. Okay, it's like slime. Yeah. This is the color of orange soda.
It said mix it together in your hand for a while.
So I'm gonna work it. So you basically mix it all up into the water. I think it's water. The water all mixed inside. And then it's like gonna be ready. I think it's ready.
Okay, now you put it back inside your bowl.
You mean the cup?
The cup. Now you're going to...
It's wet in there. Okay, tell me when to put it in.
Okay, go ahead and put it back in your cup. Now you're going to use your spoon and get like a couple of scoops of these beads and put them in your cup. Just get a couple.
Oh,
Maybe like, yeah.
They're so weird. They're like little bumps.
Mm-hmm.
You guys, let me show y'all what I'm doing. So,
okay, now put them in there and crush them up with the spoon.
you crush them or mix them? Do you think I need more scoops? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
I need more
I
scoops?
think that's pour the crushed beads into the bottle with Okay, keep stirring.
You said crush.
Yeah, you crush and then you stir. Now stir it up.
Ma,
Hmm.
the beads are not crushing. They're hard.
Let me see.
They're like slipping away.
I'm going to assist her with crushing her beads.
You guys, look at these beads. I'm going to crush them. Inside is like juice.
Mm-hmm.
What is that? Ooh.
Mm. Okay, now...
It smells like a popsicle smell. Right?
Mm-hmm. It smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now it says... Take your slime out and crush it in your... Like,
Mix
rub it in your hands.
And rub it and
Rub
stretch
it in your
it.
hands.
Okay, I got all of it out. It got even stretchier and softer, you guys. Okay.
I think this is your... It says Glitter Queen.
Black queen.
And I think...
Okay, I'm gonna open this. Oh.
It says Glitter Queen.
So
It says, open the keychain container by removing the cover of the bottle. So go ahead and open up your keychain thingy.
Whatever it is, I don't think it's a keychain. Who knows what's
No.
inside?
Let's see.
Can you help me?
Sure. Is it?
Oh, it's so cute! It's like a puppy with hat. Little hat. It's so cute.
And it says you open the top up.
Wait. Let me open it.
Is it the top? Oh, I think it's the top. Or is it? No, the
Oh,
bottom.
the bottom. See, guys? Let me open it.
And you put the slime inside, and it's like a storage.
Okay. There you go. Now we're gonna put the top on so it will not get hard. Okay, so it's like a cute little dog keychain with one inside. So what do we do next? Oh, actually we didn't do something. We didn't put this in.
That's extra. That's your extra to make more slime.
Oh, so you guys, this is the last thing we put in the slime. And I know what this is. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna open your. I'm supposed to be opening that. So we're gonna open Unicorn Shimmer. You know what Unicorn Shimmer is?
Glitter. Is that glitter?
It is glitter.
Oh.
They just say Unicorn Shimmer.
Oh, it's pretty.
So you guys, I'm gonna put it in the slime. Okay, now we mix it up so it can get all through the slime. And I think we need a little more because you can't hardly see it. And this is my favorite color, you guys. Pink. Pink. Now, what we're gonna do is we have one more thing to open. Or it's two more. Okay.
Here's the cup that you're supposed to mix the beads in.
Here's the cup. So I guess you could just put it in sometimes. So I hope you liked this video. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Bye.